Hi, good morning all. So here today continuation coordinate geometry problems. Okay, right? Today next continuation. So here in this today class, area of the triangle first. Okay, area of the triangle. So here triangle area. So here in this triangle area, the area of the triangle. See here the area of the triangle. See here the area of the triangle. So this is A, here B, here C. Okay, the area of the triangle formed by the points A, B, C is, okay, right, first formula. See here in this first one here. So here area of the triangle. Okay, the area of the triangle. Okay, the area of the triangle. The area of a triangle. The area of a triangle formed by the points. Formed by the points here A, x1 comma y1. Okay, x1 comma y1. Next meaning B, here x2 comma here y2, x2 comma y2, and C. Okay, and C x3 comma y3. So here x3 comma here y3 is, okay, is delta is equal to, see here in this formula, is delta is equal to, is delta is equal to, see here in this formula, is delta is equal to here 1 by 2 into mod of here x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, plus next value here x2 into here y3 minus y1, plus next value x3. Okay, x3 into here y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Okay, area of the triangle formula this is, okay, right? Next, share in this note. Okay, share in this note here. Share in this note. Okay, right, first one, see here area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. Okay, take one point is origin. Okay, origin. See here first here area of the triangle. Okay, area of a triangle, okay, formed by the points A. Okay, x1 comma here y1. Next one B. Okay, B here x2 comma y2 and the origin. Okay, and the origin. Okay, and the origin means 0 comma 0. Okay, origin means 0 comma 0. Okay, is delta is equal to, see here in this formula, 1 by 2 into mod of x1 y2. Okay, x1 y2 minus here x2 here y1. This is the formula. Okay, take one point is origin. See here, take one point origin. Okay, here take one point origin. Okay, take one point origin. Okay, so this formula is, and this formula is 1 by 2 into mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, this formula using objective problems. Okay, right, theory also. Okay, same formula. Alright, see here next to in the second one. See here in the second one, in the second point. Alright, in the second point, see here in the second point here, this is first one. Okay, this is the first point. Okay, right, next one, see here in the second point here. See here in the second point. Okay, in the second points, if A comma B comma C are collinear. See here, if A comma here B comma here C are collinear, A comma B comma C are collinear if and only if. See here, if and only if in this formula area of triangle ABC is 0. Okay, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. This is the formula. See, A comma B comma C are collinear. Collinear means 3 points lie on the same line. Area 0. Okay, that points are collinear. So apply this formula also. See here, we calculate area of the triangle. Area of the triangle 0 coming. These 3 points are collinear points. Okay, apply this one also. Collinear points problem. Okay, right. Alright, see here A, B, C are collinear. Okay, if and only if area of triangle is 0. Okay, area of triangle is 0. These 3 points are collinear. Okay, collinear problems. Apply this formula also. Okay, in exam given full marks. Okay, alright, see here next third point here. In this third point, See here in this third point here, in this third point, see here in this third point, if D, E, F be the midpoints of the sides, midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, sides of a midpoints of the sides of a triangle, midpoints of the sides. Okay, sides of a midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, ABC. Say DEF be the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC. Okay, then see here, so here midpoints here, see here, take midpoints here. So here this is A, here this is B, this is C. Okay, midpoints here, D, this point is DE, next this point is DEF. Okay, DEF. Alright, see here, taking this midpoints here, see here, this is the triangle forming. Okay, right, see here, DEF be the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, then condition, see here in this condition here, area of triangle, see here, area. Okay, area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle, see here, DEF. Okay, area of triangle DEF is equal to, okay, this triangle area is equal to, see here, 4 are equal here, triangle length. Okay, triangle area is equal here. Next BDF, see here, area of triangle, okay, B, okay, DF, okay, BDF is equal to, next area of triangle, okay, area of triangle DCE, okay, DCE, here DCE, okay, DCE is equal to, next time area of triangle, this one. Okay, area of triangle, next this one. Okay, AEF. Okay, AEF. See here, these two areas are equal. This area. These 4 areas are equal. Okay, area of the triangles are equal here. See here, area of DEF. Okay, DEF is equal. Next time area of BDF. Next area of triangle DCE. Okay, DCE is equal to area of triangle AEF. Okay. Right, see here, this formula is equal to, okay, is equal to, see here, in this one here, is equal to, okay, is equal to, alright, see here, this total area, 1/4 of the area, see here, 1/4 into area of ABC, see here, this part area, okay, this part area is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Okay, this area, okay, this area is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Next this area also same, 1/4 of triangle ABC. This area, okay, this area also same, 1/4 of triangle ABC. Okay, this formula. Okay, right? Write one time this formulas. Okay, write one time your notes, practice one time. Okay. Alright, next one. See here in this next one. See here, find the area of the triangle. Okay, find the area. See here, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. These are the vertices. Okay, we calculate the area of the triangle. Okay. Alright, see here first one. So here in the solution here, here let A is equal to, first point here A is equal to, first point here 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. Next one B is equal to, here 3, minus 16. 3, minus 16. Next one value. Next one C is equal to, here 3, here minus 2. 3, minus 2. Okay, ABC. Okay, right. So here first area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle. See here formula. Here area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, right here in this one, 1/2 into mod of, okay, x1, here formula, right here in this value, x1 value 4, x1 into y2 minus y3, y2, okay, minus y3, minus into minus plus 2, okay, right. next money plus x2 value 3, okay, x2 value 3 into y3 minus y1, y3 value y3 minus y1 value 4, okay, y1 value 4 plus x3 value 3, okay, x3 value 3, okay, x3 value 3 into y1 minus y2, so y1 minus into minus plus 16, okay. See here, this is the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal 1/2 into, okay, formula x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y2 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 formula, okay. Alright, so here simplify this value, so that is equal to here 1/2 into here 4 into here this value is minus 14, here plus 3 into this value is minus 6, next one value plus 3 into, okay, 3 into this value is 20, okay. So here that is equal to here that is 1/2 into mod of multiplier 50, okay, minus 56, next one value minus 18, next one value 3 into 20 60, okay, 60. So here that is equal to here 1/2 into mod of, so here in this total value minus 70 minus 74 plus 60, okay. So here that is equal to here 1/2 into mod of minus 14, okay, mod of minus 14, that is equal to 1/2 into mod of minus 14 is also 14, mod value. Length always positive, don't take negative, length, okay, area positive, okay, right, mod of 14 is 14, so these two get cancelled, that is equal to 7 square units, okay, 7 square units, okay, 7 square units, okay. This is the area of the triangle, is 7 square units, okay. All problems are procedure same, okay, apply that formula. Already this formula coming in 10th class already, yeah? All students are practicing already, okay. Right, one more time practice this question, this formula using in theory problems, okay. Right, one time practice, okay. Right, next to see in this next problem, see in this next question here, form a triangle, okay, these 3 points form a triangle of area 10 square units, find k, okay, find k, here we calculate k value, okay. So here these 3 points form a triangle of area 10 square units, okay, already area given, okay, here we calculate k value, okay, k value. Alright, so here first here in the solution here, see here let a is equal to here 1 comma minus 1, next one b is equal to here 6 comma minus 6, next one c is equal to here 4 comma k abc, okay. See here in this given data, area of triangle ABC is 10 square units. Here in this by data, area of triangle ABC, okay, area of triangle ABC is equal to here 10 square units, okay, 10 square units, okay, 10 square units. Area of triangle ABC is 10 square units, right. See here area of triangle ABC formula, here 1/2 into mod of x1 value 1 into, okay, y2 minus y3, y2 value y2 minus y3, okay, plus next one x2 into y3 minus y1, minus into minus plus 1, okay, next one plus x3 value here 4 into, okay, y1 minus y2, so minus 1 minus into minus plus 6, okay, right, is equal to here 10 square units, 10, okay. Right, see here in this 2 cross multiply, okay, 2 cross multiply, next remaining value here, see here in this value here multiplier 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, here minus k, okay, right, next one multiplier plus 6k, okay, 6k plus 6 into 1 is 6, next multiplier 4 into 5 here, okay, 1 minus 1 plus 6, 5 into 4 is 20 is equal to here 20, okay. See here 2 into 10, okay, 2 into 10, see here 2 cross multiplier 2 into 10 20, okay, 2 into 10 20, okay, right, 2 into 10 20. Alright, see here both sides 2 20 get cancelled here. Next one values here, k values here minus k plus 6k, that is 5k, okay, right. See here this value, okay, 5k, next one value here in this value minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled, okay, only 5k is equal to 0, so therefore k is equal to 0 by 5, okay, cross multiplier 0 by 5, 0 by 5 is 0. Okay, so here in this k value is 0. Okay, k value is 0. Okay, already given in this type of question in exam, final exam. Okay, write this question, one time practice. Okay, right, next problem. See here in this next question. See here in this next question here. Determine p. Okay, determine p value. Okay, here we calculate p value so that the following points may be collinear. Okay, may be collinear. These 3 points are collinear points. Okay, collinear points formula. See here, area of the triangle ABC is 0. Okay, area is 0, that 3 points are collinear. Okay, collinear. Apply that formula. Okay, alright. See here, so first we calculate in the solution here. Let A is equal to, here let A is equal to, see here in this value p comma, here -1, next one B is equal to, here B is equal to, here 2 comma 1, next one C is equal to, here 4 comma, here 4 comma 5. Okay, A, B, C, right? See here in this first one is, here in this given data, these 3 points are collinear points. Okay, collinear. See here in this formula, see here by data. So here in this by data, here A comma A B C. Okay, A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay, A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay, collinear. So if and only for condition here, area of triangle ABC is 0. Area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Okay, this is the formula. So here in this by data, A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay, if and only if collinear condition here, area of triangle ABC is 0. Note 2, second point. Okay, second point, area of triangle ABC is 0. Right, area of triangle ABC formula here. So here that is right side, area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into mod of x1 value p into y2 minus y3. So that is 1 minus 5. Next one plus x2 value 2 into y3 minus y1, minus into minus plus 1. Next one plus x3, here 4 into y1 minus y2. So here minus 1 is equal to, here that is 0. Okay, see here, the area of triangle ABC is 0. Okay, this is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, is 0. Okay, see here in this 2 cross multiply. Okay, 2 cross multiply. Alright, see here next money value. So that is here p into, here this total value minus 4, p into minus 4. Next one plus 2 into this value 6. Right, next one value plus 4 into, here minus 2 is equal to, here 0 into 2. Okay, here 2 cross multiply, 0 into 2. Alright, see here next money value in this total value here, in this total value minus 4p. Okay, minus 4p. Okay, next money value 2 into 6 is 12. Next money value minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 is equal to 0 into 2 is 0. Right, next here minus 4p, here minus 4p plus 12 minus 8, that is 4 is equal to 0. So here 4p taking this idea, so therefore 4p is equal to 4. Okay, so here minus 4p is plus 4p is equal to 4 get cancelled here. So therefore p is equal to, here p is equal to 1, p value is 1. Okay, p value is 1. Already these problems given in competitive exam so many times. Okay, this type of questions. Right, write this question, one time practice. Okay, next, see here this next question. Okay, today class complete. Okay, today class complete. Okay, today one more time practice today problems. First to practice formulas. Okay, area of the triangle formula. Next, note 3 points. Okay, note 3 points. Okay, that formula plus today problems. Okay, today one more time we also practice. Okay, all problems. Right, today class finish. Okay.